The following has been brought to you by the Insight Cooking Show.
Okay.
Okay, now the burger meatloaf thing mixture that we have here. It's got breadcrumbs, eggs, of course. It's got garlic. It's got some Caribbean jerk marinade in there. Some barbecue sauce.
Minced garlic.
I said that already.
Oh, sorry.
The camera person being silly. Some white peppers, some salts. What else did I put? Oh, the smoked Cajun seasoning that you've seen me use a million times already. What else did I put in here? No, we got the breadcrumbs and eggs. Said that already. Oh, and a little bit of the mesquite liquid smoke in here. And basically, and everything we're making the bottom part of, get off my hand, of the patty. Yes, it's not very round right now, but that's okay. And we're going to take 2 onion rings, being they're smalled. And we do them like this. Give them a little press in there, but don't smash them to pieces. And then we'll take a little bit more. Now we'll take that. Being that the bottom part of the patty and everything is so big, we don't need this to be very much. And we're just gonna lay it over the top, of course. Now, of course, you're gonna have sticking out like this, but that's where this comes into play. And then give it some pets. And now we have a burger. And as you can see, and everything, I've been doing this. These are being pre-made at the moment. We'll finish the rest of this when I make them up. Okay, getting back to... Ooh, there's an idea. Getting back to the Western bacon cheeseburgers that I was making. Here's all the burgers with the onion rings inside them. There's those. Don't need you anymore. Okay, so for the time being, let's hope I have enough. I need 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And I'm going to be short. Okay, not a big deal. And here. Yes, I know it's a bread knife. But if it gets the job done, and it didn't. Take 2. That's not working. Alrighty then. Small earthquake. Sorry about that. My apologies. Back this off. Wrong way. No, okay, it was already backed off. Okay, there we go. Now let's pray we don't lose anybody. And the fun, sorry about that. Fun part is, and everything, if you know anything about my place and everything, yes, my name is Carl Jr. I was named after my dad, so we got to kind of flame broil these things. And my apologies and everything. And you know what? Be right back when I get all these on. Okay, there we go. And we got 10 of the burgers on there on the grill. So we'll just let them do their thing. And we'll see you in a bit. Okay, also we're going to sauce up the burgers. They're doing their thing on the grill right now. Got some Caribbean jerk marinade. I forgot about these stupid things. I hate these things. Except we have to have them. Okay, it's partially open. Good enough. I'm just doing it by what I want. Can't give you guesstimate right now. That's about, I want to say about 5 tablespoons. Yeah, that would work. That would probably work. And 5 tablespoons, and got the, I was looking for Cattleman's barbecue sauce, but I just have the KC Masterpiece, as I forgot to look for it today. So, and we're going to do about, roughly about the same amount of barbecue sauce. You don't have to do the Caribbean jerk. It's just me. And leave that out because we're going to need it later. Let's see. I think this is to put on the burgers themselves. And unfortunately I don't have, or I do, I just can't find it. I do have a brush, but I can't find the stupid thing. It's hiding. Mix it all around. Give it a little taste. Oh wow, you'll like that? Or at least I do. Wash the spoon off. Okay, when I get to glazing the burgers, I'll be back. You see then. As you can see, we got one flipped already. And here's 2, a little on the outside, so it's not going to cook as fast. Actually, now that I think about this, I'm using the wrong instrument. I am totally using the wrong instrument. Shame on me. Ah, there they are. These. Okay. And back out here to the burgers. Yeah, there we go. Getting the flamage that I was expecting. Good. Oh, smoke in the eyes. Oh, excuse me. I apologize for that. My bad. Okay. Yeah, not even close. Right here, nope. some of these around here. Okay. Now, we're gonna let it do their thing again. So, we'll be back. Whoops! Out of focus there. Hang on a second. There we go. That's better. And as you can see, we've got flame up, which is always a good sign. Woo-hoo-hoo! And there we go, and everything. This one's pretty much done. Got some other ones that are being, except they're not in the line of fire, so. But I know how we can quell this. Boop! And sure enough, the flame up died down. Okay, there you go and everything. We're coming along nicely. Everything. Be back shortly. Okay, I got them sauced up, as you can see. Yeah, then that one got a little done than I wanted. And I have them on the outside and everything because if anybody's cooked hamburgers on the grill and everything, you know what happens. They flare up from hell. So we'll see you in a bit and everything. I'll have an open sandwich waiting for you. Okay, here we go. Okay, this one got a little charcoaled, but not terribly. Do I want to put it on top or the bottom? Cheese.
I put it on the bottom. That's
Okay.
me.
Okay, we'll hold off on charcoaled one. I'll eat that one. I don't care. Probably still tastes amazing.
Right. Is this one for me or for you? Or?
This one's for me. Except this is also the one I'm going to cut in half, etc.
Oh, okay. Good enough.
Yeah. Okay, pepper jack cheese. On the bottom, tongs. Yeah, I was getting major flare-ups later on. And everything once they defrosted all the way and everything, the bacon and all that, it was crazy. And yes, I know it's already glazed, but we're gonna have some more. And we'll top it off, and they know it's not as big as the actual it's over there.
What you need, the knife?
The meat knife.
This one?
Yes.
Okay,
She's gonna get a rinse off and everything, and I'm gonna show you what's up. And also take a picture and everything so everybody on Easy Tasty Recipes and everything can see this nonsense.
Sorry, I should have probably tried that.
Oh, it's alright. Worked fine. Okay, gotta move the camera real quick. Sorry. And there's the inside. Yeah, I should have put the cheese on while it was still out there.
Oops.
But yeah, this here and everything is all onion ring inside here. So everything, and I'm going to hand this off to my Jerry, and we're going to take a taste test. Okay, and wow, where do you begin with this thing? As I said before, we don't get the crunch from the onion ring like you usually do. But all the flavor is still there. And it came out really great. Pardon me, sorry. So I hope you enjoyed the episode and everything. Hopefully give you some ideas. And we'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and also, if you want to, put a comment on there. And then give me suggestions of what you want me to cook. So we'll see you next time. All right?
The preceding was brought to you by the Insight Cooking Show.